Okay guys, thanks for watching, and this is pretty bad, so don't judge this for my best drawing. I got some supplies for Easter and I was just trying it out. So it sucks, I know. Don't judge it. Don't judge my best work on this because it is really bad. But check out my other videos, please. Please like the video anyway, and yeah, goodbye.